Hi, my name is Bijender and I welcome Zricks team. Today I will show you a multi-level penthouse which is one of its kind. So let's have a tour inside. This is the main entrance to the penthouse. The main entrance is quite impressive as it got a wide opening, and this side we have a private elevator which opens into a attractive and spacious foyer area. This elevator goes to the parking area, lift lobby, ground floor, and it serves as an internal elevator which connects all the 3 floors of this penthouse. All flooring we have done in this penthouse is Italian marble flooring. You got an option to customize this. You can change the color if you want. A guest room, a simply designed guest room. There are ample of windows in this penthouse to allow natural light to come in and a proper ventilation. The view is very clear, no building surrounding this, so you can have a long view. Basically, this is a fully finished penthouse. We'll do everything except the soft stuff like your counter area, the vanities, the looking mirrors, your CP fittings, sanitary fittings. This penthouse runs on a VRV technology, VRF technology basically, and you will find the ACs vent everywhere, even in the bedrooms and in the washrooms also. Second bedroom, again with the proper ventilated windows. And in washroom, but both the sides we have given this walk-in closets. In the finishing we have used a combination of a ceramic or imported marble. You can see here we have used this imported marble on the walls as well as on the floors, and this side is the shower area. This will give you an experience of a 3-side open living, a proper sit-out terrace, perfect for barbecue, and this is extended on both the sides. Over here this connects to your dining area, and this side this connects to a bedroom. Kitchen is as beautiful as functional, fully done up by the Siemens. It comes with all white goods like the refrigerators, microwave, OTG, hob, chimney. Every corner of the kitchen is utilized very efficiently, and the brand, the accessories we have used over here is Hattie. In kitchen also you are getting the indoor unit of an AC which is connected to the VRF. Expansive living and dining area, beautifully designed with the Italian marble flooring. Oversized windows, floor to ceiling, and the sliders open up to the terrace level. This is a terrace that connects to a living area. You can do a small gathering of about 20 or 25 people over here if you wish to. All the false ceiling and the downlighters are the part of the specifications. The stone paneling is a part of the specification. Powder room. This is the second element of the stairwell to connect your floors. This is the foyer area on this floor where your lifts lands. Every corner of this penthouse is properly ventilated, and you no need to switch on the lights in the day. A washroom attached to it. All the CP fittings, sanitary fittings are of Aquaviva. It's a premium quality. And the wardrobes over here. Welcome to the family lounge, where you can spend some time with your loved ones. And this side, this is a double height covered with a glass top. You can have a view of the outdoor spots from here. Again, a finished washroom, wardrobes, This is the second beauty of this penthouse, the master bedroom with an inside lounge. The size is quite impressive. It's 15 by 30 around. This is the master dress area. Storage is not an issue over here. You got a plenty of storage. Imported marble finished master washroom. Now we will move to the third level, which is the terrace level, which we have designed in a way that it's a recreational area. Private gym area where you can go with your daily workouts. Jacuzzi shower to relax. And this side, the pantry area. This is your party terrace, and your personal elevator directly come to this level, so your guest can come directly to the party area, to the party terrace without disturbing the lower floors. Here you can do a get together of about 60-65 people. This side you can create a buffet. And over here you can do the sitting arrangements. Best part of this party terrace is the privacy. Nobody can look into your private terrace. The height of the parapet wall is quite high. If you want an option of a pool area, then we can give you the option of pool also instead of this terrace area. Basically, this property is about a 12,000 square feet area, and the bifurcation of the area is like it's 8,400 square feet around is the built up area, 2,500 square feet is the terrace area, and the common area factor is around 1,100 square feet. It's a triplex 3-level penthouse. We will finish each and everything except the soft furnitures. We'll do the wardrobes, we'll do the vanity work, we'll do the kitchen work, we'll do the VRV air conditioning as well as the false ceiling, downlighters. All your doors are the polished doors. This is one of its kind penthouse. You rarely find a penthouse which got a private elevator. This is centrally located. This is in sector 50, easily approachable from any of the areas like the Sona Road, the NH8, Golf Course Road, Extension Road. Schools, hospitals are in the nearby vicinity, and the best part is it's a 3-side open unit. I hope you like our penthouse. If you wish to visit, you can contact the below mentioned number. Thank you and have a nice day.